Congratulations, your permit has been pulled. Now the next question is, are we ready for your roof? Not just yet. Here's what to expect in the next couple of weeks. DMR will be working along with your manufacturer to obtain a digital drawing of your roof. With this drawing, we will be able to confirm the measurements of your roof. Someone from our team will be contacting you when we're ready for this, and they will head out there, get on your roof, and confirm the measurements from this digital drawing with your actual roof. Now please keep in mind that despite us living in sunny Florida, there are unexpected showers. This might delay this process just a little bit, but rest assured that here at DMR we'll be working hard to install your new roof right on schedule.